I closed my first SMMA client in just 10 days. Yeah. Now, starting a marketing agency is pretty hard, especially if you're a beginner. Now, how did I do it? I'm going to show you my 3-step framework that worked for me, and it helped me close my first client in just 10 days. So, step 1, join local Facebook groups that has your target clients. Now, why local Facebook groups? Well, I'll explain that later in the video. For now, just join local Facebook groups that has your target audience. If you're a marketing agency and you want to help dentists get more patients, join a dentist group. If you want to help a chiropractor get more leads, join a chiropractor group. If you want to help construction companies get more clients, more projects done, join a renovation and interior design group. Now, make sure that this is in your local area. You can make it in your local state. I'll explain why later in the video. Now, whenever you're finding a Facebook group, I want you to keep a few things in mind. Now, you will always find Facebook groups that has moderators and admins who will control the group and control what gets posted in the group. Now, make sure you find a group that does not need any permission in order for you to post in that group. Like for me, I found a group that I don't have to get approval in order for me to post, so I can make a public post in that group for everyone to see instantly. Second thing, I want you guys to always remember, join Facebook groups that are active, that have at least 8 active posts per day. Don't join Facebook groups that are dead. Don't join Facebook groups that has lots of followers but then no engagement. I don't want you to do that. Follow groups that are already active and that are not spammy. Now, also keep in mind, don't be a spammer yourself. You're going to join a group to promote your business, to show yourself as the authority in the business. So you want to promote your business in that group. That group is going to be your source of clients. So make sure you show yourself as a non-spammy, good authority in that group. Number 2, use the Ask method by Ryan Levesque. Now, in case you don't know who Ryan Levesque is, he is a very good marketer and you have to go and read his books. His books are amazing. Now, the Ask method. What is the Ask method? Now, the Ask method is basically you asking your clients and getting them permission in order for you to provide your service to them. I'm going to show you an example of the Ask method later, the one that I did the exact same script. But before I do that, let me give you 2 scenarios for you to imagine. Scenario number 1 is me joining the Facebook group and I make a post in that group. So the first post that I make in the group is saying, hey, I know Facebook ads and I know why you guys are not getting that many leads to your business. It's because you don't have any marketing plan and you don't know how to run ads. I will run the ads for you. Give me money. I'm the best at what I do. I'll get you clients guaranteed. And scenario number 2 is I join a Facebook group and the first post that I make says, hey, I have been running Facebook ads for quite some time now and I just want to test my skills out. Is there anyone who is willing to take me in? I'll run the ads for you. I'll do marketing for you. I'll get you more clients to your business for free. You don't have to pay for my time. All I ask for in return is for you to cover the ad spend. All I want in return is for you to just give me a video testimonial that will help me and my business grow. It would be nice if you could cover the ad spend, but you don't have to pay for my time. That's it. That's the Ask method. Now, which one do you think is going to get more replies? So obviously the Ask method by Ryan Levesque. This has been tried and tested way too many times. I'm going to show you the exact same script that I used inside the group here. Now, this is the script that I used. Any good home renovation companies here? Hi, my name is Kishan and I've been playing around with social media marketing for quite some time now and I'd like to try running some ads. I'm in the midst of building my marketing agency, but I lack customer testimonial. I would love to help 2 renovation companies get more paying clients every month with paid advertising. You don't have to pay for my time, but it would be great if you could cover the ad spend. I'll get you 5 new paying clients within 30 days and I will also get you more organic Google My Business reviews. All I ask for in return is a testimonial and the testimonial will help me jumpstart my lead gen agency. If you want to meet me and talk more on this, hit me up. Now, this post got 34 comments. You can see here, each one of these are people who wants to take up my service. We have 34 people who actually commented on this post and yeah, I message every single one of them. The reason why the Ask method gets so much of comments and so much of engagement is because it positions you as the guy who is just trying to help out these business owners. It's not trying to position you as an expert in the field, but it's trying to position you as someone who is just genuinely trying to help and grow his business. Step 3, set in-person meetings with them. This is the main reason why I ask you to join local Facebook groups, because you want to set in-person meetings with them. If you look at every other YouTuber in the social media marketing space, they will always say set an onboarding call on Zoom or onboarding call on Google Meet and then close the deal on call. Now, here's the thing that differentiates me from them. Don't do the on call. It might work for them, it might work for you, who knows, but this is the method that worked for me, and I think it will always work for everyone who is just starting out in the digital marketing space. So I had my fair share of in-call meetings and also in-person meetings, and to be honest, I've never closed one in call, but every single one that I met face to face, every single one of the clients that I met face to face, I closed them. It's because of trust. These people are going to trust you in handling their business. So they want to pay you thousands of dollars and they need to trust you for that. They're not simply going to pay a random guy thousands of dollars to do marketing unless they know them well. But I'm not saying that closing deals on call won't work. It will work, but this is the one that works best with me. Don't be afraid of meeting them face to face. It will actually help you close the deals better. I'm not saying that setting meetings on Zoom calls won't work. It just didn't work for me. It might work for you, who knows. But I want you guys to go and try meeting them in person and closing the deal in person because it builds trust. When you're dealing with high ticket services, when you want people to pay you high ticket money, you need to build trust in order for them to actually pay you the money, because trust is very important. No one is willing to pay you $5,000 to do marketing if they just met you like once. No one is like that. You can go and watch Iman Gadzhi's videos, Sebastian Giorgio, Joel Kaplan's videos. None of their videos actually talk about meeting these people face to face, and it's because their method worked for them. But the close rate will be substantially lower than when you meet with them face to face, and that is facts. So where did I learn this? Now, I learned this from a really good marketer called Jeff Miller. So he has his own digital marketing agency, and I can bet that not everyone has heard of his name because he's really not that famous like Iman Gadzhi, Sebastian Giorgio and Joel Kaplan. He keeps it low-key, but he has a really good following and a really good track record, and he does digital marketing for local businesses full-time. So yeah, closing deal in person is the fastest way for you to get your first client in just 10 days, because that's what I did and that's what got me my first client in just 10 days. The second where I heard Alex Hormozi said he made more money doing handshakes and hacks was the moment where I thought, okay, I'm gonna take this one step further. I'm not gonna do on-call meetings with these clients. I'm actually gonna meet them face to face. I'm gonna set a time and a date and a place to meet them face to face and close the deal. The first meeting I did face to face with client, I closed that deal on the spot because it builds trust. Again, I want you guys to remember, you will make more money doing handshakes than hacks. So yeah, that is my 3-step framework on how I got my first client in just 10 days as a beginner. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel because I am going to document every step of my SMMA journey on this channel, and I want to bring you guys along. So subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.